One of those exercises that I would suggest after you begin to study this little bit about that emotion is a musical wave shape, which is a universal language, is that you could try sitting next to someone and doing a little experiment whereby their touch and your touch connect, and you what happens is you touch hands, and when you squeeze someone's hand or even squeeze their arm, you can change the pressure over time in your squeeze. And what you do by doing that is you decide what emotion you're going to send. So if you said to your friend, I'm going to squeeze your hand or your arm right now, and I'm going to squeeze it 3 times, and you tell me which 3 emotions I have sent to you. And what you do is you modulate your pressure. The touch that says joy is a touch where the moment of maximum pressure occurs 1/6 into the duration of the event, and it has more of a release to it. If you look at that picture at the article danwinter.com/touch. Whereas the touch that says anger is a touch where the moment of maximum pressure is 1/7 into the duration of the event, and it has less release to it. So there's what it does is the touch that says anger, by being a ratio of 1/7, sends maximum destructive interference, which is very useful, as we say, if you're shooing money changers out of a temple, that you've actually created destructive interference. Whereas the touch that says love is a touch where the moment of maximum pressure is very much later into the duration of the squeezing process. So this is an exercise I suggest, is that you actually practice touching in such a way that people learn the alphabet of your emotions. So this ability to emote coherently is teachable, and ultimately becomes how we fabricate our ecosystems electrically by shaping the magnetic fields that come from our body. So this is part of why our web presence is called Sacred Geometry and Coherent Emotion, because coherence magnetically is how we use glandular magnetism to fabricate worlds, and as we've seen, even romantically, to bend stars.